Adjusting volume on your Sharp TV without a remote.
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we'll be discussing how to increase the volume on your Sharp TV if you've lost your remote. It might seem like a challenging task without your remote, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step.
Locating the TV's control panel.
Most Sharp TVs come with a control panel on the TV itself. The placement of the control panel may differ from model to model, but it's typically found either on the bottom edge, the side, or the back of the TV. Look for physical buttons on your TV set. They might be marked with icons or text, representing functions like power, channel changing, and of course, volume.
Understanding the control panel buttons.
Once you've located the control panel, you will see a few different buttons. Each of these has a specific function. For our purpose, we're interested in the buttons that control the volume. The plus and buttons are usually the volume controls. The plus button increases the volume, and the button decreases it. If you can't find these, look for a button marked with a speaker icon. Sometimes, the volume buttons might be incorporated into a single button that you can push to one side or the other to increase or decrease volume.
Increasing the volume.
Now that you've located the volume control buttons, let's put them to use. To increase the volume, press the plus button or push the volume button towards the side marked with a plus sign. Keep pressing or pushing the button until you reach the desired volume level.
Using TV's menu for volume control, optional.
In some cases, your Sharp TV might have a menu button on the control panel. Press this button and navigate through the menu using the directional buttons. Locate the audio or sound settings and select it. From there, you can increase the volume by selecting the volume option and increasing it using the directional buttons. That's it. Now you should be able to comfortably increase the volume on your Sharp TV even if you've lost your remote. Remember, it's always a good idea to have a backup plan in case the remote goes missing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.